each other just right and make a beautiful sound.
What are you doing?
All right, Star, here's my very last knot.
Okay, I'm going to take a deep breath.
Ta-da!
It's wonderful. Wow.
Now we made our very own Wowee wind chime. Be sure to find a place where the wind blows.
Yeah, boy, you coming over?
To the train.
Sounds it makes.
What's that?
To the train, Tommy.
AJ's a choo-choo train?
Now, if you couldn't make your own craft tonight, don't worry. You can visit us online with the grown-ups to learn how
There you
to
go.
make your very own wind chime. And you can take
What?
a picture of your
No further.
chimes and send them to us here at
Hi.
We want to see what you made.
Bless you.
We'll say, Wowee.
That's right, Star. Now, wow, wait, who do I see? It's Lucy, and
Who's
she's
that?
here to show
Hi.
us the Sprout Friend is coming up to play with
Hey. Get any closer, kid, you're going to be inside the camera. There you go. You came over all the way and got it, didn't you?
Thomas is pulling into the station right on time from the island of Busoga.
Bye, Thomas.
Alexa, what are you doing? Here, you want this?
Oh, that's you.
Oh, okay. All right. Here, get up over there. We're going to take a picture with him. Show me how you pick him up. Nice and easy, right? Smile. Oh, okay. He's done. Alexa, get off him. Alexa, get off of him.
The station's looking passengers are possibly
Here. Alexa, don't get on top of him. Alexa, the tormentor.